So Joe, can you talk about what happened in there today?
Yeah, we had obviously squeaky doors here.
Oh yeah.
We had an argument on motions to dismiss. And look, I mean, we're not overly optimistic. The burden is very high for the defense in these things, but we did feel we had some issues regarding our limitations on cross-examination during the preliminary hearing. But the judge, I think said correctly, we'll have our chance to continue with vigorous cross-examination during the trial. And we understood the likelihood of success on this motion was slim at this stage. It's just all part of the process. We had to make the motion, obviously, to secure and preserve the record. We did it. We've always been preparing for trial. We know we're going to trial in this case, and that's what's going to happen. So we'll be ready for that moment.
Great. And then it sounds like September 4th, she's going to do an in-camera review of some material you're interested in regarding the detectives in here.
Yeah, I mean, we made some requests for police files for certain detectives. We have a basis for it. I think the judge entertained that, so she's going to do an in-camera review to see if we're entitled to those things. That will help us prepare for the trial. That'll happen on the 4th. It looks like now the trial is moving back because we're still in the process of getting some discovery, which is important, body cam footage from the officers at the scene and at the scene of the search and at the scene of the incident.
Yeah.
And so that discovery is going to be coming. We should have that hopefully the next day or so.
Yeah.
We'll come back on October 22nd, which was basically the initial trial date.
Yeah.
But Rocky and his family are very eager to get this thing to trial. So I was happy to confirm another trial date, which is only a few weeks after that anyway.
Yeah.
November 12th, the day after the holiday. So I think that's a real date. I think on November 12th, this is going to kick off. That we're going to get a jury, and that the journey to justice will begin on that day, and that this will be behind him within a few weeks after that.
I mean, we're thinking like a 2-week trial at most
so.
or something.
Look, it's the prosecution's case, and they have the witnesses, but based on my assumption of the cross-examinations, I'd say about 2 weeks is right.
Yeah.
Probably outside of jury selection.
Yeah, yeah. Anything you can say about how Rocky's doing just preparing for the case? I mean,
he's doing great. Look, he's fully immersed in fatherhood right now.
Yeah.
He's got those 2 kids that he's doing a great job with, and mentally he's prepared for the case. We talk quite frequently about it, but he's letting us do our jobs. And right now, what I told him is take care of your kids, take care of your family, take care of your life and your career, and I'll let you know when I need you.
Yeah.
So that's sort of where we're at right now. He's been a great client in that regard, and he's got these 2 beautiful babies, and with Rihanna obviously, and they're focusing on what's important. We'll take care of this part of it. But he's ready. He's as tough as nails, and we're confident that justice will prevail.
Okay, great.
All right.
Well, hey, thank you so much.